Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to center a circle in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. First of all, create a circle. Press enter, hold shift, click and drag it. Now see this, create a circle. Increase the size. Okay, then hold control, select anything. I example, select the background. Move tool, align middle. Again, create a new layer. Select dot circle, hold shift, click and drag it, hold control, middle, center. Now we can see this center a circle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.